Welcome, good afternoon. This is Jamb year 2010 government pass question. Question number 34 says, in which of the following is the ceremonial and executive powers first? In which of the following is the ceremonial and executive powers first or are fused? That is, it's talking about in which system of government, that is, in which system of government is the executive powers and ceremonial powers of the government or states are fused. Very simple question, are fused. So option A is a federal system of government. Option B say parliamentary system of government. Option C say unitary system of government. Option D say presidential system of government. The system of government in which powers are fused is parliamentary system of government, because the head of state is different from the head of government. So option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.